your day with Simona.
We're ready, let's go shopping. Kind of enjoying this lip combo. I definitely need a better brown lip liner. I think this is meant to be more of an eyeliner. It says it doubles as both, but it smears so quick. It's just got that consistency. Like, in my opinion, it feels not like a lip liner, more like an eyeliner, where it's more smudgy, and the lip liners, they are a little more long lasting, you know? Like, I don't know, it makes sense in my head. And then I have this pink lipstick, and it kind of reminds me of Pamela Anderson a little bit. Bootleg version of that look. So yeah, now we're headed to dollar store, then Walmart. I think I'm gonna look for a brown lip liner. Yeah, because I don't actually have a brown one. I have more like mauve-y colors, so I'm gonna aim to get a brown one today if there's a cheap one on sale. We just got back. I'm gonna give you guys a little haul. So we ended up not going to the dollar store. From Sephora, I had to get skincare stuff for the family. So my dad needed more of his serum, so that is ordered, which I didn't know you could order and they pay the shipping. So we don't have that here yet. But I got a cleanser for myself, toner because I don't use toners, and I'm very bad when it comes to investing in myself unless it's thrifting. So I've been using the same face wash for I don't know how long. I don't wash my face a lot, and I've used the same CeraVe one. I've just been repurchasing it for years, but I've had the same bottle for maybe 2 years, which I don't think that's good. So I'm like, okay, I need to treat myself better. And then my sister needed more of this like oily cleanser situation to remove her makeup. And then we were hanging out with one of our neighbors, and he gave me mint, so I'm really excited to plant this. It was just like a few leaves from his garden, so I'm excited to put those in a pot and grow mint because I love mint tea. And then from Walmart, I got this heat protectant for like when I style my hair. I have never used heat protectant in my life, and again, I'm like, I think I deserve to have nice things. So I'm like, okay, maybe I should get heat protectant for the first time in my life. I also stocked up on deodorant. Deodorant is way too expensive right now. It's insane. Even the ones on sale, I'm like, that should not be the sale price. That shouldn't even be the original price. It's too much. And then I got fancy gum today. I never have xylitol gum, and recently I found out xylitol is good for you. Especially if you like you should have xylitol, which I didn't know before. And then another thing I forgot to mention that I got from Sephora. This is from my dad for my sister for her graduation gift. I got her secondhand Jimmy Choos, and I also got myself secondhand Jimmy Choos. So it's gonna be both of our first pairs of designer shoes. So I'm really excited. And basically she gets to wear them for her prom and for her graduation and for mine if she wants. And then the pair I get, I can wear for her graduation and mine, whatever, depending on if I want to wear them for both occasions. But I feel like I might. We'll see. Anyways, yeah, juicy tubes from my dad to her. But of course, I was the one with the idea of like, should we get her these? So yeah, Juicy Tubes are back. And, you know, I would never buy this for myself, but for Mimo, she deserves it. So maybe I'll test these out when I give them to her, because I do want to see what they're like. So yeah, that was the haul. Now I'm gonna go make burgers. I'm so excited. I am starving. Wait. I also got this lip liner from Walmart. It was a $3 one from e.l.f. So you can't not get, like for me, when I'm looking at the lip liners, like, I will always get the cheapest, because why wouldn't I? And I needed a brownish one, as I was mentioning. My lips are kind of gone now, but I am excited to try this one. Espresso martini. I love espresso martinis. Okay, let's go make food. I'm starving.